Once again, making notes as you go along is going to be the easiest way of finding the answer to your questions. Now, a couple of these are relating to the alphabet and jumbling the alphabet up a bit. So what it might be an idea to do is, if we look at question 1, it's asking you to take certain letters of the alphabet and reverse them and see which one would come eighth. Actually do that. Write it down on a bit of paper. Just get it all out there on the paper and then count it along, and that will be the simplest way of doing it, because otherwise if you try and do it in your head you can get jumbled. I think I'm pretty good at remembering the alphabet, and when I tried this I got it all completely jumbled up and just ended up writing it down anyway. So it's best to just get it down on paper first and do it properly and get the right answer rather than fumble it up in your head. Question 4 is asking about shifting the alphabet along a certain amount of spaces and which letter would be at the beginning after 12 shuffles. Again, that's quite complex to do in your head, so write them down. Each time shuffle it along, and you don't even need to write out the entire alphabet because you're looking for what would be at the beginning, but just start it out shuffling it along 12 times and see what you come to at the end of it. If you write it down, it's so much easier to keep on top of it, because in your head that's going to be really confusing. Question 11 isn't to do with the alphabet, but it's looking at a diagram, and it's giving you instructions about this point is higher than this point but not as high as this point, and giving you numbers relating to all the points, and it's very confusing. What you really need to do with this one is plot it out on a bit of paper. So when you know that town D is further north than C, you need to put D down on a bit of paper further north than C. Get it down on paper, and that way you'll be able to visualise it a lot easier and see if the way you've done it matches up with the diagram in the page, and then take it from there. Try and figure out your answers down on the paper and then match it up with one of the answers that way. So basically, the more you get down on paper, the easier you are going to find it, getting to the right answer, because you'll be able to see all the working out and you'll be able to see everything that's important about the question, piece everything together, and then hopefully arrive at the right answer.